This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for December 31st, 2024. It's currently December 18th, 2024, 10:09 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $586.28. That's USD. The shuffle video for the December 31st reading was created on October 15th, 2024 at 1:19 p.m. Eastern Time. So the overall theme of behavior, we have an important trough of some kind highlighted here, and also an important resistance level that we should flatten out around, at least momentarily, on a multi-day scale. Behavior around the highest high for the day. We have a rally along diagonal trend line, ending with breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting another resistance, and then pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. Behavior around the lowest low. We have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of volatility. And it does appear that we're likely going to see the lows for the day more than once, but we have a high for the day in the last hour. Maybe around 3 o'clock we've got a high for the day. Or between 2 and 3, probably around 3. Advise to trade around an unexpected move to the upside. In the pre-market, we have probably a new high of some kind after making significant new lows in the previous day. Either that or it'll be a prominent move higher, full retracement, a prominent move higher through key resistance, and then a move back down through that resistance shortly thereafter. Sideways rotation right around the open, and then a near overbought crest that we sell off from in the first half hour through multiple supports into a low between roughly 10 and 11. We should rally pretty notably out of that low, meeting key resistance between roughly 11 and 12, and then from that resistance we should decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. And then at some point there's a fast sudden move higher out of that decline, fast sudden move higher between roughly 12 and 1, leading to a move higher through key resistance and then a full retracement of that move back down. Pretty mixed here between the 2 and between the 1 and 3 o'clock hours. Pretty mixed, guys. But it looks like we decline into a trough just before 2, and then there's a notable move to the upside into a high for the day out of that trough somewhere between 2 and the close, probably around 3 o'clock, or maybe we see it twice between 2 and 3. There's a halting of a bullish trend at that high, followed by a decline through key support level on a multi-day scale there in the last hour. Failed attempt to break through key resistance at the close, followed by a decline through key support. And it's likely to be an unexpected move higher into that failed attempt to break through key resistance. And that's the final day of SPY, final trading day for 2024, my friends. Much love and appreciation for all of you following along here. Hopefully I've done right by you guys. I've tried my best. I'm sure plenty of you have made money. And if you're having trouble, guys, don't think that it's like bad luck. It's not the easiest to trade right off the bat. There's so much more to it than just knowing highs and lows. You have to know mentality. You have to know psychology. Those are more important than knowing when the high and the low are, if you ask me. Actually, it's not even an opinion on my part. That's fact. So, with that said, best way to trade this info with the live Discord trade alert, live updated trading view charts. You get that on our website, Tarot for Traders, as part of the early access subscription. You go to our order now, click on subscriptions, early access, $60 a month, $600 for the year. The earliest you can get any of our public posts, as well as Discord trade alerts and live updated trading view charts for SPY. That's the S&P 500 ETF. Much love and appreciation. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys next year.